Okay students, and this is the third class of the 5th class mathematics. My number word in Telugulo నా సంఖ్య ప్రపంచం. Today I am going to explain the very important topic, that is expanded form. Okay. Before that, I request all the students, please note all the things what I have been writing on the board and your notes neatly, properly, ways. Okay? And expanded form in Telugu we call as Vistruta Roopam. Vistruta Roopam. Okay? Note the heading, expanded form or Vistruta Roopam. At beginning I will take a small number. Okay? Now tell, what is this number? Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand. What is the number? 4,347. Okay? If you want to write in expanded form, first you write the alphabet, that is place values of the letters right on the top of the number. This is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds, this is thousand. After that, write the first number 4. Put bracket 4 into, what is the value here? 4,000. Okay, so it is a 1,000 place. Plus, next write the 3 number into, some bracket here, no problem. 3 into 3 is 100. 100 plus, next write the 4 number. 4 into 4 is in tens place. 10 plus, right here, 7 into 1 place. So 4 into 1,000, 4,000 plus 3 into 100, 300 plus 4 into 10, 40 plus 7 into 1, 7. Further, you can also write the number names of these numbers of the in words also. 4,347. If you want to write also. $4,000 300 40 7. Like this way, how to write the expanded forms of the numbers. Okay, note it on the notes. Next I will tell another example. So take some big number. Okay, first try to read this letter. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakhs. Okay, write the abbreviation form of the place values. 1, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs. Okay. Now, we have to start with lakhs. In lakhs place, what is this number? 4. 4 into lakh, 1 lakh. How many zeros are there in 1 lakh? 5. Plus 5 into this is 10,000. 50, you have to write 10,000. Plus 3 into this is 1,000 plus 2 into this is 2 is 100 plus 100 plus 4 into this is 10 plus 1 into 1. Now expand. 4 into 1 lakh, 4 lakhs plus 50,000 plus 3,000 plus 200 plus 40 plus 1. This is the expanded form of the number. If any number having 0, don't confuse. I will write one number. For example, 50,435. If 0 comes, no problem. Write like this way. 5 into this is ones place, tens place, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. 5 into 10,000 plus 0. 0 into 1,000. So it will become 0. 0 into something 0. Okay, 0 into something 0. No problem. Plus 4 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 5 into 1. It will become 50,000 plus 0 plus 400 plus 30 plus 1. Like this way you have to write the expanded form of the given numbers. Okay? What is that? It is 5. 5 into 1, 5. Okay. 5 into 1, 5. Sorry. Okay, write this. 50,435. If you add all these numbers, you will get this number. This is short form. Okay? Expanded form, reverse short form. If you want to write short form of the number, I will tell this number. First write the 50,000 here. Next 0. 400 you have to write from this way. 35 here. Add all these numbers, you will get the number. 5, 3, 4, 0, 5. So it is 50,435. Okay? Like this way you have to write expanded form and also short form. తెలుగులో దీన్ని సంక్షిప్త రూపం అంటారు, దీన్ని విస్తృత రూపం అంటారు అన్నమాట. తెలుగు ఇంగ్లీష్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయ్యకండి, నో ప్రాబ్లం. తెలుగు అయినా ఈజీగా అర్థమవుతుంది, ఇంగ్లీష్ అయినా అర్థమవుతుంది. బట్ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం కనుక ఐఎమ్ టెలింగ్ అబౌట్ ఇంగ్లీష్ వర్డ్స్. ఓకే, విస్తృత రూపం అని చెప్పుకుంటాం. ఇది ఎక్స్పాండెడ్ ఫామ్, బోత్ ఆర్ సేమ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ షార్ట్ ఫామ్ అండ్ ఆర్ ఇన్ తెలుగు సంక్షిప్త రూపం. So in page number 18, all of you listen carefully. In textbook page number 18, there are some problems there, and you do that problems. Okay, that is the homework to all of you. Okay, thank you very much for listening this lesson.